I'm Safe People, Brox, aka the British Tech Guru. This is a Harbor Freight tyre pump or portable inflator. What it's supposed to inflate, I don't know, but it claims to go to 150 psi. So my thought had been possibly solar power, since it's 12 volts, and fill air tanks. I don't know. So let's pull it apart. Already undone the screws. Now what surprises me is there is a thermal cutoff in there. What temperature it cuts off at, I am not 100% sure. Say the pump itself is this bit, and that's incredibly small. The electric motor appears to have no markings on it. Oh, it does have a marking, and I can't read it. So there's a marking there, but this has potential. Just have to see what that motor says.